Welcome to Linux Help. In today's session, we are going to see how to install Slack on Ubuntu 22.04. Slack is a cloud-based team communication platform developed by Slack Technologies, which has been part of Salesforce since 2020. The platform operates on a freemium model and is primarily offered as a business-to-business service. Its user base mainly consists of team-oriented businesses, with features designed to facilitate effective business administration and communication. Slack integrates with a wide range of applications to enhance its functionality. Additionally, the built-in workflow builder allows users to automate messages, checklists, and file sharing with ease. Check the OS version using the following command. I am using Ubuntu 22.04. Check for updates using the following command. Upgrade the package list using the following command. For installing Slack, we need to install snapd in our system using the following command. To install Slack application in our system, we use the following command. Wait for some time. It's downloading and connect to eligible plugins and run configure hook of Slack. Slack package is installed successfully. To use Slack, go to App Drawer and search for Slack. Log in with the Slack account to continue or create new account to continue. Thus we have successfully installed Slack on Ubuntu 22.04. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.